Oh, hey, from SOUNDTECH, Sydney. I just wanted to shoot this quick video on sound tuning because people have been asking, do I need a sound tuning? What does it do? Is it even important? I don't want to waste extra $500, $600, $700 on the DSP. It's a waste of money. This is just a car. Look, this is a quick recording how it may show you if you do need or do not need the sound tuning, hence the DSP, hence the sound tuning done. If you do happen to keep your original speakers, maybe you do not need it. They're kind of tuned to sound as good as they can in the car, which is pretty crappy anyway. But if you do happen to replace your speakers and soundproof the door, it'll change the acoustic so much that without the sound tuning, it's probably gonna be so much boosted around 200 to 400 frequencies, a lot. Then it could be some drops in the middle. Highs might be too bright because depending on the tweeter you choose. Long story long. Yes, you need it, and this is why I'm just gonna play some sample song here on this car, and I'm just going to be bypassing the tuning. Just the EQ. There's so much other things to do on the tuning, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna be bypassing the tune profile back to the original one, non-tune and tune, and I'm just using my phone to record the difference, which is pretty lousy recording device anyway, but it should be enough to give you an overview, a quick understanding how much it can change if you do sound tuning. So again, I'm gonna play this song. I'm starting with tune, non-tune. What's better? Probably tune. So this is how it sounds when it's all done, right? And I'm gonna be pressing this bypassing throughout the song, so you'll notice. I'll just put the symbolize. If it's the tune, I just go, this is tune and this is before tuning, so you know which one it is. So it's hard to keep the camera at the same time. Alrighty.
Drag queen preaching Jesus in the middle of the square. The young kid playing yesterday on a Japanese guitar. There's a loser on the talk show. He wants to be a star. And Sharon sings for Wayne in a karaoke bar. There's a superstar who fell from grace. He has to tell it all about the dizzy heights he rose to.
So this is it. I'm not too sure how much it can be recognized throughout the phone and maybe your headphones, but have a listen, and if you think this is something you want to have too, we should be able to help you out like we did on this car. All right, cheers.